ALIGN E1 AB waypoint setup. Click AB waypoint setup. Enter the value, height, speed, sparing amount. Select altitude hold and terrain following mode. In altitude hold, the flight height is per setting. The flight height will be fixed and will not be changed with the terrain or crop. Terrain flying mode. Dictate the terrain height and adjust flight height. Select standard traffic or rapid traffic. Enter the value, distance between waypoint, and spread distance. Spread distance is the width of the far field. Zoom out the setting page. Throttle unlock and take off. Fly E1 visually to the first near location. Confirm the target point through the camera. Press the transmitter's upper right button. Make a point. Fly E1 visually to the next waypoint. Press the upper right button. If B point is set wrong, it can be reset. Push the aileron stick to the right. System will activate waypoint upload command through the stick left and right. Now, the sparing route is planned to fly to the right. Reversely, if pushing the stick to the left, E1 will fly to the left. After upload successfully, switch flight mode to I. Activate auto sparing work. Please pay attention on E1 flight during the mission. When E1 completes the mission, switch back to GPX mode and return home. Continuous sparing at breakpoint. Suppose the medical container is empty or battery voltage is too low. E1 needs to return. Switch to manual GPS mode to return. At the time, system will record the breakpoint. Manually return. Replace the battery. After taking it off, switch to auto navigation mode. System will activate waypoint upload command by switching flight mode. E1 will auto return back to the breakpoint to continue sparing. It's all about AB waypoint setup.